Welcome ladies and gentlemen. In this video I'll be showing how to make a horseshoe hoof pick. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut a horseshoe in half. Now the easiest way to do that is just to heat up in your forge and cut it in half with a chisel. But you could also use an angle grinder or whatever you want. The next step is to try and draw out the horseshoe so you can eventually turn it over on itself to form the hook. As you're drawing out the horseshoe, you have to be careful to keep it square, because if you're not careful, the shaft can turn into a circle, which doesn't look as good. Once you have it as drawn out as you want it, you want to kind of fold it. The back of it is kind of at a recurve angle because that gives it a better shape when you do curve it over on itself. Here I'm twisting the pick shape into it. I like to use needle nose pliers just so they give me a better grip, but you could use tongs if you want to, just kind of spare your hands a little bit of the heat. And then after that you want to brush off some of the scale and then you're done. And then there's the finished product. I sell these hoof picks on Etsy for 20 bucks a piece. If you want to make money blacksmithing, that's a great way to get started. It's not a ton of money for making these. I've only made about 50 bucks total from all of them. But if you sell other things like hooks and knives, you can actually make a pretty good amount of money pretty easily. Now I know I haven't posted a lot on this channel, not as much as I wanted to at least. I'm going to try and at least post once a week. I know that's probably not going to happen, but it's a good goal to have. And if I can't make that work, I'll at least try to upload shorts semi-regularly. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.